Today we are going to take a look at how to make a new page for your Magento e-commerce website. So you've worked with your developers for weeks and weeks. You've got your site all up and ready to go, but maybe a few weeks have gone by and you want to create a new page on your website, or you just want to try and test something out and you don't necessarily want to call your developers to do this. And I know Magento can seem like a foreign language to you if you haven't worked with it much, but adding a new page is really, really simple. You can do it right from your back-end administrative dashboard here, and we're going to show you how to do it with just a few easy clicks, get that set up and running for you. So we're going to actually make a page that pulls a category of products specifically, but you could add any sort of widget or content you want to this page. So we're going to start off here on our administrative dashboard, and we're going to look at this menu on the left-hand side here where it says content. And under content, you'll see under elements here it says pages. We're going to click on pages. Then up here in the top right, it says add new page. We're going to go ahead and click add new page. And we're going to give our page a title. In this case, I want to create a page to sell some gear, do a sale page. So we'll name it gear sale. Where it says URL key, that will either generate or you can create whatever you want it to be. And this will create a URL for your page to go to. In this case, I'm just going to let mine generate. It will generate one that says gear sale for me. Under store view, we're going to click all store views. This will have our page show up for all languages and all websites that we have set here. And then we're going to go ahead and click on content. And so in this case, this is where you're going to put in anything you want to show up on the page, any images, anything you want. In our case, we're going to insert a widget. So under widget type, we are going to choose catalog products list, and this is going to give us a whole list of products. And so again, we're going to name it. I'm going to choose sale gear because we're going to put some gear on sale on this page. And you can choose a bunch of other options for your page at this time. How your products display, the number of products, if they show up in a grid. I'm just going to leave the default 10 products is good, a grid is good, and the lifetime cache, the default value is fine. So then we're going to go down here under conditions and click the little green plus sign. So this will give you a whole bunch of conditions you can choose from, however you want your products to show up. In our case, we are going to choose category. And so then it will show up as category is, and this will allow us to choose which category we want to show up on this page. Now you could set up a category ahead of time, a new category of something you're adding to the page or your website, or we could pick one that already exists. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and select gear, and we're going to click insert widget. And so you'll see this whole block of code show up. And this is the widget we just added. The code is now going to show up on the page. So we're going to go ahead and click save page. And it's just that easy. Our page is done. We are good to go. So we can go ahead and navigate to the page. It's going to be the URL of your page / your URL key. So in our case, it is gear sale. And we can see that it's pulling that category of gear with all of the information we added in. Gear sale, and it is showing sale gear. And so we are done. We have added a page, and it is just that easy. Hopefully this tutorial has helped you guys, and if you want more content like this, be sure to give it a like and let us know.